So I'm just going to show you guys a quick run through of 360 Sync. First, we're just going to log in with our BIM 360 identification. And once we've done that, we're going to create a new configuration and we're going to name it. I always like naming it whatever the name of the project is, but you can name it whatever you would like. So once that loads up, you're going to hit add and then select a new folder. And I always, or select a mapping name. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose the direction that data flows, so either Windows to field or field to Windows. And then next, what you're going to do is you're going to select a folder on your computer or on your server that you want to map uh, with your field library. So in this example, I'm just choosing this to field folder, and then I'm going to next select the project that I want to push my data up to. I can either, as you can see, this is an empty field project, so I could just put it in the project root, or I could choose to make a new folder, and that's actually what I'm going to do. I'm going to name it 360 Sync Demo. You can name it whatever you wanted. Then I select it. Now I'm just going to hit my advanced settings, and then I'm going to hit save. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to select my configuration and then hit the create launch shortcut. And so when that happens, you actually see that the button is created. So when I do that, you can actually see that the configuration starts running. If I open up my folder over here, then what you're going to see is that all the data that is in this folder is being uploaded into BIM 360 field. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to run this configuration on a schedule. And so just for sake of argument, you can have it run on any day or all days. You can pick the time that you want it to run. So here I'm just going to pick 7 a.m. And I can even choose how often I want it to repeat during the day. So I'm going to just say that I want this to run every 6 hours. No, every 4 hours. So I'm just going to save that. So basically what I've done there is I've automated the process um, of this syncing. So this is really great for whenever you are, um, if you want to put 360 sync on your server, because it'll allow you to, automate the process. Right there, you're seeing just that I, um, created a scheduled task in Windows. That's really all that we're doing right there. So, and now as we look back over here to the left, you can see that more and more files have been updated. Um, if I click, you can see that, I can go into those folders and those files have been uploaded. So all that it's doing is just taking the data from your Windows folder to your field library. Um, so all you have to do is whenever an RFI or a ASI or any new data comes in, you just drop that data into your folder that's either on your server or on your computer, and then uh, if you set the scheduled task, then it'll run whenever you need it to. So there's no double entry, there's no uh, extra work. You just put it in there one place, and then 360 Sync does the rest for you. So as you can see right there, things are kind of going quickly right now. um, just finished. So now we're just going to double check and make sure that everything came into the 360 Sync library. So right now you can see that it's loading up. And so you can see that everything came in. So essentially, this is just a really good tool that will automate the process of updating your 360 library.